I'm Marilyn Brathwaite, Chief of Staff, Spayce Technologies Inc, Barbados. Working with the founders of Spayce Technology Inc, that was almost a quite easy sell. Barbados is not just a beautiful place, but it has a lot of talent, a lot of potential. It has a banking industry that has been there and stable for the last 50 years at least. So bringing a fintech, that's bringing it into the 21st century, bringing technology to Barbados, new jobs, a new environment. That was what we were looking to implement, and we did. The fintech ecosystem in Barbados is pretty new. Spayce Technologies Inc is one of the first, so they will be the one to follow. Like I said previously, banking in Barbados is very stable, so adding a fintech and that industry to Barbados is key to the growth of Barbados and also the growth of the young graduates coming out of university. Barbados has got legislation around fintech, which is great, so it is easier to be able to attract that type of business into a stable economy like Barbados. The very important thing is to have a plan. You've got to have a plan from your pre-implementation, your implementation, your hiring plan. You've got to make sure you've got your budgets in place and you have the infrastructure, maybe from your head office, to support your local office in Barbados. That works really well with Spayce. The team of people report to some of our bigger offices within Spayce Global. But one of the main takeaways is the kind of cross-training, the development of those people so that people in Barbados can cover for people based anywhere else in the world. We have really created that ecosystem within Spayce, and as we continue to grow, Barbados is very small, so getting Spayce's name out there is going to be very simple. We've positioned ourselves in a really great office with really great branding, so it's going to speak for itself. So Barbados has a very strong banking ecosystem with all the Canadian banks and a number of private banks. So bringing fintech to Barbados is a really nice fit. We have been able to find really key people in the areas of where we wanted to hire people because they came from banks and private banks, etc. We are growing the whole banking industry, whether it's a private bank, a commercial bank, or a fintech. We're growing something that Barbados has been really good at for the last kind of 50 years. And it's just really bringing them into the 21st century with fintechs and all the technology that comes with fintech.